Hello everyone, in this video I am going to discuss some MSQ question from aldehyde, ketone and acid. And the question is, compound P and R upon ozonolysis produce Q and S respectively. The molecular formula of Q and S are C8H8 and O. Q undergo Cannizzaro reaction but not haloform, and S undergo haloform reaction but not Cannizzaro reaction. So haloform reaction are generally shown by aldehyde, acetone, methyl ketone having COCH3 group, and Cannizzaro reactions are shown by aldehyde having no alpha hydrogen. What is alpha hydrogen in aldehyde? This is the functional group. So adjacent to aldehyde group, the carbon present is known as alpha carbon, and the hydrogen attached to this carbon is known as alpha hydrogen. Like this. So come to the question. So ozonolysis means, simple trick is, if this is alkene, if ozonolysis occur, the reagent is O3CH2 Cl2 ZnH2O. So trick is simply break that bond and just attach O like this. This is the product. So come to the question. In the first question, I simply break this bond. So I will get here CH3 double bond O plus CH3 C double bond O CH3. This is Q. Then if I break this bond, then I'll get, and here CH3 double bond O plus CH3 CH2 double bond. This is R. The molecular formula of Q, this is S. And the molecular formula of Q and S is C8H8O. So here 6 carbon 7 8. Here 8 carbon present, 6 7 8 9. Here 9 carbon present. So this option is incorrect. Next, come to this question. Come to next option. I will break this bond. So I will get double bond O, means here H present, plus H. This is Q. Then break this bond. So I'll get, and double bond O CH3 plus H. This is Q. This is R. Sorry, this is S. So 6 7 8 8 carbon present. 6 7 8 8 carbon present. So molecular formula, it satisfies the molecular formula. Then here is given that Q undergo Cannizzaro reaction but not haloform reaction. So in the Q, no alpha hydrogen present. So this undergo Cannizzaro reaction. Methyl ketone is absent, means COCH3 group is absent. So it doesn't give haloform reaction. Here COCH3 present, means it's give haloform reaction. But here alpha hydrogen present, so it doesn't give Cannizzaro reaction. So B option is correct. Next comes to C option. In C option, I will break simply this bond. So I will get double bond O in this option here CH3 present. CH3. So here product form double bond O, this bond is break, double bond O CH3 plus CH2 double bond O, here plus CH2 double bond O. In this carbon 6 7 8 8 carbon present. In this 6 7 8 9 9 carbon is present, but the molecular formula C8 is present. So this option is incorrect. Comes to next option. I get after ozonolysis CH3 here, double bond OH, CH3, CH2, double bond O, here 6, 7, 8 carbon present, and I'll get here CH3, double bond OH plus acetone, CH3. So here the molecular formula is 6 carbon, 7, 8 carbon present, here 6, 7, 8 carbon present. But this is Q and this is S. Alpha hydrogen not present, means it gives Cannizzaro reaction. Here alpha hydrogen not present. This also give Cannizzaro reaction. But in the question, it is given that S undergo haloform reaction but not Cannizzaro reaction. So this option is also correct. So the correct option is option B. Then come to next question. The aldehyde which will not form Grignard product with one equivalent of Grignard reagent. So which aldehyde? In all the option aldehyde present, and Grignard acid base reaction, Grignard shows acid base reaction also. Means if I take an example, then if I take ROH, if I treated with R minus MgX plus, then alkene will form with byproduct MgOH X. So if I take acid, then also acid base reaction occur and alkene form, and the byproduct is MgC double bond O OR X. This is, so acid base reactions are the first reaction. So if acid is present or alcohol is present, then Grignard reagent react with this compound instead of aldehyde. So in this case, aldehyde, before aldehyde acid reacts, and also in this option before aldehyde CH2OH reacts. So in these two options, if I treated this compound with one equivalent of Grignard reagent, then COH react with Grignard reagent and CH2OH react with Grignard reagent instead of CHO, because Grignard reagents so acid base reaction, and acid base reactions are the first reaction. So option B and D are correct. Thank you.